Hey, going. Omar's here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing an install here. A 3-ton 16 SEER variable speed gas system by American Standard. So here is the new one, and here we have the old one. You see the condenser, the coil. Here's the gas furnace, and we're walking over to, here's a new one. That's the evaporator coil, that's the furnace. You're getting a new disconnect, new Wi-Fi thermostat, and we are actually going in the closet in the garage, so it's going to go here. So we cleaned everything out. It'll have a filter base. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can also find us at the web at www.abcaustinacnheating.com. Okay? See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yeah, they eat the inside, right? Yeah.